Well, the snow's roaring across now. Little snow devils. Look at that. Bouncing around there. Then we got about 3 inches pile there. 3.5. Last half hour. Getting a little bit worn out. First day of winter is actually winter this year. Amazing. Much stronger wind. I guess a little strong gust earlier. That's what we're getting on the corner here, man. Level across the road. Pretty incredible. This is the best one of winter storm draco here, for sure. Best one of the season so far. First day of winter, what, 2 hours are left. 4:22 right here. 10 o'clock here at night now. Ooh, the door came back open again. Darn thing, you keep walking up here and going down.